Welcome to another video. So in this video I'll show you two ways how to fix an error like this. So you just try to run your node program, but you run to this error: parse is not a function. So in this video I'll show you two ways on how you can fix a problem like this. So come along with me. Before that, like and subscribe until you this channel for more tutorials and more videos. There's an upcoming Django web development program language coming on. A Django web development program coming on. So subscribe to this video and like and share all my videos that I upload, all contents, everything I upload. Like and subscribe and share. So let's dive into it. So you have your program, you have your code up and running like this. So you can just cross check with your own if there's a mistake or a thing that you didn't add this to your code. So you can just go through this this code and make sure if it runs or if it can align with your own. So assuming you have this code up and running like I showed you, but anytime you run your program like this, you have this kind of error: parse is not a function. So I'll show you two ways on how to fix it. So one, it said parse is not a function. Let me shift this thing back to this side like this. Sorry, like this. Still, let me check. Still, parse is not a function. So assuming you have this, so meaning the function means, and in nodejs, if a one way to run a function is one with a curly bracket square. So parse, so this is a parse, or this the stream or the pipeline that you want, or the array that you want to get from this what using this npm, this package using this package to run through your capital data CSV, which is comma separated value, to get all the data as an array. So first thing to do, put a curly bracket around the parse like this, and then you just say you put a curly bracket around where the parse, which is where I've highlighted up here. You put a curly bracket here, and then you just save, and you run back onto your node program again, and you run your program. Wow. This is a lot of data, that's why it's taking time to run. Oops, yeah. So, and about 9,465 more items even included with this data. So meaning this contains a whole quite lot of data, which Kepler on their NASA on their journey found with exoplanet, where each planet can be lived upon, or where planets can be settled upon. So again, I'll include this CSV file in the comment section or in this video, so in case that you need it, you can just download it from there. And again, you can just remove the curly bracket here, and then to the end of where your require of the CSV parse is, you just put dots parse like this, and you save, and you run your program again. So let's run again. Let's run again and see. Wow, this looks like our program is up and running again with our CSV parse. We are getting our data, or we are reading from our CSV, our capital data that we imported onto this nest, onto this folder, onto this folder that we created right up here. So all done. So So it is solved with these two steps. I think you are good to go with your problem. Parse is not a function. With these two trick, I think you'll be able to solve it. So like and subscribe once again to my YouTube channel. See you at my next tutorial.